Chapter 3. Import file sharing data into your notes. Let me show you how to use it as a digital whiteboard. You can import your own file during a meeting by importing in different ways. Let me show you how. You can insert an image using a USB thumb drive or a network folder. Here, I am going to show you how to use a thumb drive. Insert USB thumb drive. Use the Insert Image icon. Choose the location of the file on USB thumb drive or network folder. Choose the file you want to open and click Open. You can annotate on the inserted content as you like. Capture PC or tablet screen. Switch to computer source from the projected image or control pad. Click Capture icon on the projected image. Switch source to go back to whiteboard mode. Now PC screen is captured on your whiteboard. You can edit the captured image freely. You can annotate on the captured image. You can share your notes in different ways. Let me show you how. Share your notes via USB thumb drive. Insert USB thumb drive. Click Save icon on projected image. Select the save destination, USB storage. Change file name as you like, if needed. Save the file in PDF, Epson original format, or PNG. Then select page range. Epson format allows you to come back to it and make changes to your file. Click Save, and your notes are saved on your USB thumb drive. Share your notes to PC via USB cable. Insert a USB cable into PC. Click Save icon. Select the save destination, PC via USB cable. Save the file in PDF, Epson original format, or PNG. Then select page range. Epson format allows you to come back to it and make changes to your file. Click Next. The saved file is shown on your PC. Copy and paste the saved file to the desktop. Now your notes are saved in your PC. Share your notes by email. Click on Email icon. Click Email Address icon. Enter the recipient's email address directly when you don't use the address book. Or select the address book type. Search for the address. Select the address you want to send and click Add to Destination. Send the file in PDF, Epson original format, or PNG. Then select page range. Epson format allows you to come back to it and make changes to your file. Click Send to send your file to your meeting attendee. Share your notes to print out. Click Print icon. For advanced options, click Advanced. Select a local USB printer or a network printer. Choose the printing options. Select how many pages you want to print on a sheet. Click Print to print your notes.